Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a look-alike brick wall. We need white masonry paint, water for cleaning the brushes. Based on the original wall that I'm trying to copy, I will need the raw umber and yellow ochre. Mix together the yellow ochre and raw umber, then add a small amount of white until you get the right color. You need to remember the acrylic paint dries quickly, so you need to work a little bit faster, but then you can add a small amount of water to keep the paint moist. For the darker areas, mix the black and the raw umber. Now add some highlights using yellow ochre and a little bit of white. And that's how you create a look-alike brick wall using acrylic paint.